Hi guys, I'm here to make a video of my Amber Arsenal. Sorry in the background you hear noise in the background. Yes it is right here. Here is my Angry Bird red one. It's my first one. He makes noise, 3 different ones. And soft and squishy. And I like him. Right there. So we have Bluebird here. He also makes noise. He's kind of like Redbird and stuff. Yeah. He makes noise. 3 different ones. Yeah, I like them. We have Yellowbird. Yeah, he same thing, makes noise. We have Whitebird here. We have Whitebird. Yeah. And I have this little Bombird. He makes noise. Here is my big bomber. We're on to this one. One of the big ones. It's supposed to make noise, but it stopped. I don't know why. He's supposed to have a spot on his head, but no. And he's bigger than this one, little. But I like him. Here's a really new one. It's the Screen Bird. Yes, today is Christmas, so I got this for Christmas. Yeah. I also got this big red bird for Christmas. Yeah. And on to the pigs. There's 3 small pigs I got for Christmas too. This one is this normal pig. Of course, he makes noise. Press here. Makes noise. Here's the Hurt helmet pig. Yeah, that's the only one. And we have Mustache Pig. Here's Mustache. Same thing, makes noise. And on to my big ones. This was easy to find. It's the big king pig. It was very easy to find. I got it from, if you wonder where it is, I got it from Toys R Us. Yeah. Yeah, and I have another one. I couldn't get it to here, so I'll show it from right here. I have this really big, about 24-inch bird. It's a red bird. I seen the pig one. I seen the pig. I got it at Fry's. For one. Yeah. So yeah, that's my Angry Bird collection. See y'all.